Hi friends, I'm Timmy the Turtle, and today we are going on an exciting counting adventure. Are you ready to count with me? Look at this beautiful meadow. I see something fun to count. Let's start with the flowers. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, we found 5 flowers. Now, look at those birds flying in the sky. Let's count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! We counted 6 birds. Oh look! I see some butterflies. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! 7 butterflies. I see frogs jumping around. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! We counted 8 frogs. Wow! I see some turtle friends like me. Let's count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hooray! 9 turtles. This has been such a fun counting adventure. But wait, there's one last thing to count. Do you see the sun? How many suns are there in the sky? That's right, there's just one sun. Let's count one more time. 1. Great job, friends. We counted flowers, birds, butterflies, frogs, turtles, and even the sun. You're all amazing counters. See you next time for more fun. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join Timmy on his next adventure.